Do you believe that this woman had dated over 1,600 men? And most surprisingly, this is not a woman at all. The person behind the illusion is Zhao, a Chinese man who posed as a divorced woman on dating apps. He used heavy makeup, wigs, and voice training, no software, to fool men into thinking he was female. His act was so convincing that even neighbors believed he was a kind-hearted woman, nicknaming him Uncle Red. But this wasn't just about fake love. Zhao had a strict house rule. Every man who came to his apartment had to bring a gift: milk, fruit, or even cooking oil. Behind closed doors, it got worse. Zhao secretly recorded intimate encounters with over 1,600 men using hidden cameras without their consent. The victims included university students, office workers, fitness trainers, and even foreigners. The videos, some over 10 minutes long, clearly showed faces in sexual acts. Once leaked online, they went viral, sparking outrage. On July 8th, police in Nanjing, Jiangsu province, arrested Zhao. His story quickly became one of the most disturbing and talked about scandals on Chinese social media.